We hit 500 subscribers. Woo! Okay, so maybe I'm a little bit late, but we still hit 500 subscribers. I haven't had time to make this video until today. I'm going over some news and info, alright? So, first of all, I have a 2,000 Robux giveaway in the Discord. You only have, let's see, 5 days, I think. Yeah, you have 5 days to enter this giveaway before it stops, alright? What you're going to do is you're going to join the Discord, you're going to go to the giveaways section in announcements, and you're going to react to this message. That's how you enter, alright? And it's in 5 days. And I have a lot of tickets to catch up to, alright? I haven't had time today. I hope to have time, but I'm not sure if I will, but I will try my best. So now for some news. First of all, thank you so much for the support on slap battles. However, I am taking a tiny break from it right now. I'll be back in probably a few days to working on it, but right now I'm just taking a little break. Also, I will no longer be helping in the comments. If you need help, you're gonna have to join the Discord and create tickets. And I know I have a lot of tickets backed up right now, but like I said, I'm just taking a little bit of a break because I haven't had time and school just started, so expect a little decrease in uploads. Also, I have a new channel called Netherite Dev where I'm going to post gaming videos. The first video is already edited. I just need to go ahead and upload it. Alright, I just need to create the thumbnail still. I need to come up with a better banner. You also hit 100,000 views, so thank you so much. I also updated the description of my channel as well, right? I am also working on a game called Infinite Obby Simulator. It's basically like a cross between Obby and Simulator, alright? So I'm just going to give you a little bit of a sneak peek right now. So you can see the tags are kind of bugged, something I need to work on. You have leaderboards, and I made this map myself in Blender. And you have the Roblox shop over here. I'm going to add another shop. Basically how this game works, you step into the portal and it's going to generate one random level out of the ones I have. Alright, so far I have 30 levels. I need 300 before release, so I'm 1/10 of the way there. And basically you're just going to go ahead and beat the obby. You're going to make it to this green area up here. You can't see it. You need to make it to the green at the top. Oh, I just did it. Alright. Yeah, once you make it to the green, a new level is created. So I just wanted to give you a little sneak peek of the project, which is why another reason I haven't been uploading as much, so I've been spending a lot of time working on my game. I still need tons of things like a pet shop, crates for obby skins, and trails, tons of things like that. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little peek at it. But yeah, that's it for this news video. It's a bit of a short one. I just wanted to go over a few things. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. See ya.